Good day, everybody. Jason with the team here at MarineMax Clearwater, and I get the honor to give you a tour of MarineMax Clearwater. This, guys, is a place where we have a lot of pride to work. I believe the original MarineMax showroom, over 50,000 square feet of climate-controlled awesomeness. So come check it out. Okay, everybody, welcome inside MarineMax Clearwater. This is that climate controlled showroom I was telling you about. And before you get to jump on all of our beautiful boats, you will be greeted by Jeanette. So come on back. You can see here today, we do have a delivery. It looks like we have a delivery set up. So we have a gift bag for some customers of ours. The 24 Vantage, I believe it is, will be in the water dockside. Captain Keith, who you'll meet later on in the video, will be on board waiting for those happy new clients, and we're super excited to get them on the water. We'll hope to get that opportunity with you guys as well. Everyone, so once you enter MarineMax Clearwater, out to your right, you'll see our sales office. So come on back. As you move out to the left side of the showroom, you'll see some of our beautiful Sea Rays lined up. You have a 400 to our 370, 270, we all know extremely popular, all the way down to the 26 SXO. And you guys can see here, when we have 50,000 square feet, what we can do with our inventory. All right, guys, so while we continue our tour of MarineMax Clearwater, why don't we go ahead and buzz by the business office where you'll meet Mike and Al, two of the absolute best in the business. Come this way.
I'm Al Casella. I'm the business manager here at MarineMax Clearwater, and I handle all the financing, wire transfers, registrations, Coast Guard documentation, insurance, and your beautiful day on the water with Captain Keith. I get that all set up for you.
Okay, guys, as we continue our tour through MarineMax Clearwater, it's a big deal for us here to, one, teach you how to use your boat, to service your boat so that you can continue to have a good time with your friends and family on the water, and three, show you how to do that. So as you head this way, a lot of that happens right here, guys. You'll see we have our service and parts center, which is a massive operation in its own right. But off to my port side here, we have probably the most famous skipper in the industry. I know, I love him to death. This Captain Keith, he's gonna teach you, and he's gonna show you how to have fun on your boat. So without further ado, Captain Keith Lake.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? Got a 24 Vantage, Boston Whaler, cream of the crop going today. Just doing a little pre-delivery paperwork, and we'll see you guys out on the docks, out on the water in a little bit. Beautiful boat.
Okay, everybody, as we continue our tour of MarineMax Clearwater, obviously I get to do the fun part, sell you your new toy. But this awesome squad is going to keep that toy on the water. So on our right, we have our mobile team. On our left, we'll have some service advisors that are dedicated to different size boats, different brands, to keep that streamlined for you. Before I zip through, you see all the cute toys we got. Why don't we walk back here and check out our parts team? So here we have our parts manager at MarineMax Clearwater. This is Ed. And off to our left is Kathy. And then in the back here we have Josh. This team guy, awesome. They're gonna have the parts for your boat, no matter which one that is. And we have a huge mail room in the back where they stock different things. So they can probably get something you're looking for on the fly. And if they can't, I bet you one of these three will find it for you. The head of that team is Jay. He's our MarineMax Clearwater service manager. So please meet Jay.
I'm Jay Parrish, MarineMax Service Manager in Clearwater, where we offer a full service department with an in-house and mobile technicians. We also have a full service boat yard. Let's go take a look.
So now guys, as we continue our tour, we're at the on-water portion of Clearwater MarineMax, where we keep our boats in the water. This is also, of course, where all the magic happens when we get to deliver you your new boat. And I believe currently we have a delivery new boat orientation ongoing. So let's check it out.
And I am the Marketing and Getaways Coordinator here at MarineMax in Clearwater. Thank you so much for coming on a tour of our showroom, our service yard, and so much more today. And I invite you to come down and see it for yourself in person. I hope to see you soon, and let's get you out on the water.